Whirlpool, the giant of home appliances, has introduced a new countertop oven that uses a camera and an integrated object recognition to identify the food inside and adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly. The Smart Countertop Oven, launched by the WLabs brand of the corporation, has functionality similar to that of the June furnace, but it costs $200 more expensive, with a price of $799. Both devices promise to stop thinking about cooking, but with technology like this the proof is in the pudding. Will the algorithms recognize your food? And will they choose the correct cooking configuration? It's hard to say without evidence. Whirlpool does not share exactly how many types of foods its algorithms can recognize, but it does say that they are accurate enough to distinguish the difference between frozen and thawed products. Otherwise, the convection oven offers 11 different modes: baking, broiling, baking by convection, roasting by convection, toasting, reheating, tasting, dehydrating, frying, cooking slowly and keeping warm. Has a built-in food thermometer to check if your meat is made. And you can update it on your cooking status through notifications in the application. Oh, and, of course, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, which means you can use the voice commands to control it. The best function though? Actually, you can access the internal oven chamber through an application, allowing you to see your roasted food in real time.